Hello friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. Today's recipe reminds you of festivity but can be made throughout the year, on occasions and enjoyed. Its colorful appearance appeals to everybody. That is ribbon cake. So let's get started. I have taken 2 cups of refined flour or maida. I shall add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well and keep aside. Now take 100 grams of salted butter at room temperature. If the butter is unsalted, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now add a cup of powdered sugar, little at a time, whisking it using an electric beater till stiff. In a separate bowl, break 4 eggs and beat it with a whisk till nice and fluffy. Transfer the butter and sugar mixture in a bigger bowl. Add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now keep adding the egg mixture and the refined flour little by little till it all forms a smooth batter. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you wish, you can add a little milk to balance the consistency. Divide the batter into 3 parts. To one bowl, add few drops of green edible color. Mix nicely. To the other bowl, add a few drops of edible pink color. And let the third bowl remain in its original color. Take a rectangular baking tin, lining it with butter paper and greasing it with butter. Pour 1 part of the normal batter into the tin, spread it evenly with a spoon. Next, pour in the pink batter and spread it till it is spread in all the corners. Then again pour a little of the normal batter and over that pour the batter which is green in color and spread it out. Now lastly, take the remaining normal batter and spread it. Take a skewer and make 3 serpentine lines across the tin. Tap the tin lightly on the table to remove any air bubbles. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. Now I will place the cake tin in the oven for 35 minutes. Checking with the skewer to see if the skewer comes out clean. If it does not, then you can keep it for another 5 minutes. You can now remove the cake and keep it on a rack to cool. When the cake is cool, you can cut it into slices. Wow, look at the colors. Our tasty and delicious ribbon cake is ready. Do make it for your family and friends and let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again with my next video. Till then, bye bye.